Hey guys, welcome to What Mommy Loves. My name is Ezinma and today I'm going to share with you guys what is in my Easter basket for 2018. So first off, I just want to let you guys know that if you want Easter egg hunt clues, you can actually go on to Channel Mom right now, click on Easter egg hunt, and it will take you where you can get Easter egg hunt clues and ideas that you can print off. And they've got this really cool Easter egg hunt clues for young kids and older kids. Also, you can actually watch some videos of other mommy vloggers on there, and it's just a community of really supportive moms. And I'm also very thrilled to let you guys know that I am part of the Channel Mom vloggers team, and I'm super excited about that. I think that happened about 1 to 2 weeks ago, but I'm super excited about it. And now you can actually watch my videos on Channel Mom as well, so make sure you guys spread the word about that. So right now I'm just going to talk about everything in my Easter basket. So I don't have a basket per se, but I have this and it's doing the same job. So first off, I've got this treat bucket. So I plan to give the kids this bucket to carry about whilst I hide these eggs just around the house somewhere. It's got two colors. There's some blue eggs and there's some green eggs. So I plan to give Nina a mission to find the green eggs, and then Milan, he'll find the blue eggs, you know. So when they find the eggs, then they can put it in the bucket here, and it's gonna be fun. I think I got this one from Poundland, and I also got this for Poundland. So it's better you go to Poundland or somewhere like that. You don't need to break the bank to buy stuff for Easter egg hunt. So they're just £1 each. So I think it's a really cool idea for them to just have one bucket instead of 2 buckets and stuff like that, because after Easter we're not really going to need a bucket, are we? I just got them one bucket, and that's fine. So I also wanted to cut down on the toys, you know, the toys we have in the house. So I didn't want to buy extra toys for the kids because I feel they have a lot of toys. But I prefer these ones I got. These ones are, this is like a chocolate egg, but it has Teletubbies, and it's written here with fun 3D stackable puzzle. So I think, you know, the kids can play with this anyways. It's a toy as well, and it also has a treat for them. So it's like a win-win whichever way. So I prefer these sort of things, and I feel it's just the perfect thing. So I plan to give the kids like these bags. So these bags are just Easter like gift bags or something. So I plan to give the kids these bags, you know, when they find all the eggs, when they're successful in finding the eggs. So I'll hide these obviously, and then they'll find these at the end. So these will be like their presents. I've also got this Easter egg hunt kit. I got this from Poundland as well. But you know what, you guys, I'm going to obviously do another video where I show you guys how we went about our Easter egg hunt. So you guys, make sure you stay tuned for that. So in this bag, I've got a treat for one of them. I wish the bag was a bit bigger because I feel the bag is really small. But this one is like a superheroes plush toy. It's really soft and cuddly. So I plan to give this to Milan, you know, and then he could have it in his bed, you know, when he goes to sleep. He could cuddle on this as well. So I feel it's going to be really cute, you know, cute addition to his bed. So this one is for Milan, and this one is another Easter egg, but I really love it because it has like a story activity book inside. So it has like a story of Jesus, you know, so it's kind of like a fun way for the kids to know the history of Easter and the reason for Easter. So it says It includes an Easter story activity book, the story of Easter. That's what it has written on it. So because of this book, I actually bought it for the kids so that, you know, during bedtime we could read it together or something. But anyway, I don't know what it is now, but don't worry, in my next video showing you guys how we went about our Easter egg hunt, I'll open it and I'll show you guys what this is all about. So I'm just going to use this as a treat bag for one of the kids. In this bag I have PJ Masks. So this is PJ Masks Easter gift set. So it has 3 melamine sets, bowl, spoon and beaker with a milk chocolate egg. So I like this one so much, and I got it for Milan, so he can actually use this as his new dinnerware, you know. So it's really cool. These are the kind of things I like buying for my kids, things that won't make my house messy because their toys are literally littered everywhere. So I think they have enough toys. What they need now is more valuable stuff, and this is just perfect. But speaking of toys, I got this for Nina because she doesn't have Shimmer and Shine yet, and she really likes Shimmer and Shine. So I think this would really be nice for her to have. I'm not sure which one this is. I think this is Shine. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I think it's Shine. But anyway, if it's Shimmer, it's all the same. So I think she'll really appreciate this one, and so I think she's going to be thrilled to have it. So these are just the prezzies I have for them, and I think it's going to be perfect for their Easter egg hunt, and it's going to be really valuable. They're going to love it, and that's just that. So for the grown-ups, for myself and my husband, we decided to go and get ourselves the Amazon Fire Stick. Yay! I'm super excited about this one. Why? Because I haven't watched Game of Thrones yet. Oh my god, I feel like I'm the 1% of the population who hasn't seen Game of Thrones. And it's quite sad to say that, but I haven't seen Game of Thrones yet, so I had to get this because I want to just dedicate a night for myself and my husband to finish that movie. Okay, obviously it's a series, so it's not something that we can finish in a night, but I really want to see Game of Thrones. So that was the motivation to get this Amazon Fire Stick. So we just got it on Amazon, and it got delivered today, so just in time for this video. We don't really need any other presents. Seriously, we have too many chocolates already to eat on the day. So that's it, guys. That's everything I have in my basket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and I really appreciate it. Also, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. I would love for you guys to also hit the notification bell so that you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much. I really love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.